Use questioning as a method to learn English tenses. Each question takes 10 seconds. You can pause the video if you need more time to think. Question number 371. Which sentence uses the future perfect continuous tense? A. We live here. B. We are living here. C. By next month, we will have been living here for 5 years. D. We lived here. Correct answer, by next month, we will have been living here for 5 years. Question number 372. Water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius. What tense is this? A. Simple past. B. Simple present. C. Present continuous. D. Simple future. Correct answer, simple present, general fact. Question number 373. Look. It's snowing outside. What tense is this? A. Simple present. B. Present continuous. C. Simple past. D. Simple future. Correct answer, present continuous, action happening now. Question number 274. I visited Paris last summer. What tense is this? A. Simple present. B. Present perfect. C. Simple past. D. Past continuous. Correct answer, simple past, completed action at a specific past time. Question number 375. They will arrive tomorrow morning. What tense is this? A. Simple present. B. Simple past. C. Simple future. D. Future continuous. Correct answer, simple future, future action. Question number 376. She has never seen a live concert before. What tense is this? A. Simple past. B. Present perfect. C. Present continuous. D. Past perfect. Correct answer, present perfect, experience up to now. Question number 377. What were you doing when the earthquake happened? What tense is used for were you doing? A. Simple past. B. Past continuous. C. Past perfect. D. Present continuous. Correct answer, past continuous, ongoing action in the past. Question number 378. This time next week, I will be lying on a beach. What tense is this? A. Simple future. B. Future perfect. C. Future continuous. D. Present continuous. Correct answer, future continuous, ongoing action at a specific future time. Question number 379. He had already eaten dinner when I got home. What tense is had already eaten? A. Simple past. B. Past continuous. C. Past perfect. D. Present perfect. Correct answer, past perfect, action completed before another past action. Question number 380. By the end of the year, she will have completed her degree. What tense is this? A. Simple future. B. Future continuous. C. Future perfect. D. Present perfect. Correct answer, future perfect, action completed before a future time. Like, share, comment and subscribe.